Welcome back. In this app is going to be a camera demo where I am going to use a counter to take the first picture and insert it into one canvas, and then take a picture using a counter and place it in the second canvas. So what I have here is a vertical arrangement on my screen. And then I'm going to get a canvas, and that's going to be fill parent, and the width is going to be fill parent. And then I'm going to put in another canvas, and that width is fill parent, and that height is fill parent. And I need a camera. How about a camera? Okay, so I have a camera one. We're going to need a button to take a picture, right? So I'm going to have to put in a horizontal arrangement. Down here, width, fill parent. Background is none. In here, I'm going to put in a button. And that button's going to be centered inside the horizontal arrangement. And that button is going to be called BTN Take Pic. And I'm going to go ahead and make that round. I guess 60 by 60. We'll do 30. 60 by 60. And I don't want any text. And I'll go out and go to my internet and get a camera button, camera icon. And what color do you want, Sydney? Yeah. Yellow. So I went ahead and saved the camera icon. Going back to my MIT app. Inserting my image into the camera icon image. Space Invaders. And I think we're ready to go. Okay, so Sydney, you ready? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my blocks, and I'm going to create a variable called counter. And I'm going to set it to 0. Okay? So when I take the picture, okay, first thing I'm going to do is increase my counter. Okay, so I'm going to go to my counter, set counter equal to math counter plus 1. Okay, so I'm increasing my counter by 1. Are you with me? Okay, so now I'll just go ahead and use my screen title to show you that the counter's counting. Set screen title to variables get the counter. Okay. Are you with me on that? So it'll be counting 1, 2, and we go ahead. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do an if statement, a control statement, and say if. I guess I need to go ahead and call the camera to take a picture here. Are you with me? Okay. And then, no, I got to go to camera after taking picture. Okay, because I forgot. I got to do camera. So now I'm going to find out where the counter's at. Okay, so watch this. I'm going to say if I'm going to do a modulus of. So, and I got to do an equal to. So if the modulus of, so I'm going to do a remainder, okay? So if the remainder of the counter divided by 2 so when I divide by 2, if it's equal to 0. So have you guys ever done like math when you guys did long division and you had that big box above the, you had a divider, a dividend, you had a number outside the box and what you're dividing into, and then you divide the number into that number, and if you get a remainder, then you would do like R3 or something like a R2, R1. You with me on that? Well, what we're doing here is I'm testing the remainder. And if I divide by 2 and I ever get a remainder of 0, I know it's an even number. 2 goes into 4, 2 times remainder of 0. 2 goes into 10, 5 times remainder of 0. Are you with me? But if I ever divide a number and get a 1, what's that tell you about the number? It's odd, okay? 2 goes into 3, 1 time, remainder 1. 2 goes into 5, 2 times remainder 1. You with me? So I'm finding out if this number is odd or even. You with me on this, Sid? Okay? So now I'm going to say if it's, and it doesn't matter which one, okay? So if it's remainder of let's go 1, okay? If it's on a remainder of 1, I want to take the background canvas number 1, okay? And I want to set its background image to. Okay, I'm going to get image. Okay? You with me? Else, okay, so then I can take all this. Actually, I don't even really need to do that. I can just make this an else. And then I could do set canvas 2. Okay? You with me? Okay, so I think that's it. Let me test this. So this is working right. This code works, and that's a camera demo. I hope that helps, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.